This will be a hotel room tour of room 520, Marriott's Grande Vista, Orlando, Florida. RFI Deluxe. You walk into the room. Of course, exterior corridors. We're on the 5th floor. Here's the evacuation plan. Pause if you want to read that. We're in building 91. Come into your left when you walk in the room. You got a kitchenette. This very nice mini fridge has a full freezer. You got an ice bucket here. Glasses. Here's my high sink. Coffee maker. Oh, they got a toaster too. That's nice. Coffee. They even provide the dishes here. That's nice. Even in the studio rooms, it looks like. Garbage can, recycling bin. Here's a microwave. It's a GE. I don't know what that is. It's locked though. We're gonna come into the bathroom. Here's me again. Hi. This very nice modern light. Very nice touch. Oh. Towels. Another sink. Bathtub shower combo. Got your toiletries. Commode. American Standard. Now coming further into the room, you got a very nice king-size bed. Hotel alarm clock. USB and USB-C cables and plugs. This bed is very firm and comfortable. Over here, you got a nice closet with ironing board. You got a safe, hangers, put your stuff, extra blankets. Here's a television set. It's an LG. It's my luggage. Hey again. Very nice sofa. Let's see. Just pull out. I think this pulls out to a bed. Looks like it at least. We're gonna go out onto the balcony. We're in the golf village here at Marriott's Grande Vista. We're on the 5th floor. Here's some of the other buildings. One of the pools is down there. Very nice. It's actually quite a nice day in Orlando. You just got a lot of snow in New Jersey. There's a pond right there. Let's go back inside. We'll wrap up the video. Close that. All in all, very nice room and property. I just got here today, like maybe not even an hour ago, and I'm already impressed with the property. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up today's video. As always, guys, stay tuned for more videos and peace out.